Today on TT's Corner, I have good news for Jamaicans yard and abroad. Do you have friends and family unemployed who keep saying there is no job or they don't have the qualification? Well, good news, the government is trying to help that situation. They are offering free associate degree courses. Example, computer repairs, mechanical engineering CAD, network engineering, air conditioning, maintenance, and so much more. All that is required is a TRN, NIS, birth certificate, one passport picture, one CSEC, or heart diagnostic test, or stage 3, City and Guilds, Maths and English. So that is awesome. For more information, you can call 876-994-3278 or 876-968-7488-9 or 876-923-9003. Or you can go directly to the office at 7 Ripon Road, Kingston 5. And even to make it much easier, you can apply online at ndar.heart.nta.org. That's ndar.heart.nta.org. So people in the diaspora, when family call you, you can share that info because knowledge is power.